everyone, it's TheNotoriousKIA. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today's video is in collaboration with Nordstrom's. I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me as I shop for this fall makeup look. All the products mentioned in this video can be purchased at Nordstrom's, and you can find them linked down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Hey guys, so today I'm at Nordstrom's looking for some fall beauty trends, and if I'm feeling a little fancy, I might get an outfit too, maybe some shoes, but we shall see. Now let's see if I can find some shoes or an outfit. So I'm officially done. Your girl got some shoes and some makeup. Alright guys, so before we get into the makeup look, I want to show you guys what I picked up from Nordstrom. So I spent quite a bit of time at the Tom Ford counter. This was my first time ever trying any Tom Ford makeup, so I was really excited to see what the fuss was about. It's just pure luxury, all right? I don't pop Molly, I rock Tom Ford, all right? Jay-Z said it best. All right, so first up, I picked up the illuminating primer. I really loved how this looked on my skin. When it comes to fall, I feel like I can go a little heavier with the makeup because like my skin naturally is gonna be a little bit more drier, and I know I'm not gonna get as oily throughout the day. So I don't mind illuminating primers in the fall and winter. Here's the packaging for the primer. You kind of like turn it up and then pump it out like that. Next up, I picked up the foundation, and this is the Traceless Foundation with Broad Spectrum SPF 15. This is in the shade 8.5 Toffee. So here's what the foundation looks like. It has a pump. Love that it has a pump. This is the blush and highlight duo. It's a cream blush and a cream highlight, which doesn't have any glitter in it, so you just get that glossiness, which I'm loving now. And I love a cream blush. I love that they come with a little pouch that immediately just wipes off all the fingerprints that you just put on it. Next up, I picked up the eye color quad, which also comes with a little pouch as well, and this one is in the shade 04 Honeymoon. So here's the quad. You have a really great daytime look here, and then there goes your nighttime look. So during the fall, I love me a nice berry vampy lip. So last up from Tom Ford, of course I had to get me a lip color. So I picked up the Liquid Matte Lip Lacquer in the color, what is this, 06 Fetishist. And it's this really beautiful, just soft berry color, which I'm just loving. It's a little darker once I put it on. And in person, but that's the shade right there. So now that that little haul is out of the way, let's get into this makeup. So I really want to focus on my fall everyday look. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So let me put my hair up and bring the faux head out. All right, first up, I'm going to start with the illuminating primer from Tom Ford. So a tiny bit, and just focus on your cheeks, your high points, like where you want to illuminate. Oh, look at that. We definitely don't want to illuminate these bumps, but let's go. See that? We're gonna move on to foundation. I'm using the Tom Ford Traceless Foundation with SPF 15. Give it a quick little shake. About 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And And then I'm just gonna take a foundation brush. I like this one because it was more of a sheer coverage and it's great for oily skin. I really like my makeup to be like skin-like, so I always like gravitate towards like illuminating, radiant, sheer kind of foundations if I'm gonna wear it. Even though my skin is oily, I don't mind. I just don't like just having cakes on makeup. Like there's like literally a time and place for everything, and for me personally, that's just not my preference. Nice little natural glow, here for it. Okay, next up we're gonna do concealer, and my favorite is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. And then I take a beauty sponge and just blend all of that in. Now moving on to contour, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. Oh, this is in the shade Medium Dark, which is their darkest shade, Side Eye. Really nice, subtle contouring. Now on to powder, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I really only set my highlighted areas and my T-zone. Pretty much the places where I get the most oil. Next, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Cappuccino and bronze up my face with a nice fluffy brush. Then I'm also gonna use this to contour my nose. I should have did this when I primed my face, but I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of eyeshadow. Take a little bit of powder and set that a little bit. Take the same Anastasia bronzer and warm up my crease. I'm also gonna put some on my lower lash line as well. Alright, and then I'm gonna go into the Tom Ford Eye Color Quad in the shade Honeymoon. I'm gonna be using these two colors. I'm gonna apply the darker color, this one over here, to my entire lid. Then I'm gonna take the lighter shade right here and apply it to my brow bone. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and the same one that I applied the bronzer with and blend. Next up, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I've been loving the NARS Climax mascara. Like, this seriously might be the GOAT. And Nordstrom's is having their Mascara Madness event November 3rd, where you buy 2 mascaras and you get 1 for free. You guys should definitely go snatch up the NARS Climax mascara. Everything, let me tell you, y'all about to see. 901 Joby Drive, look alive, look alive. So that's the eyes, just very natural, just subtle eye. Now let's move on to cheeks. For blush, I'm going to be using the Shade and Illuminate Cheeks palette from Tom Ford in the color Sublimate. This is a nice creamy blush that gives you a nice sheer pop of color that is buildable. And it has nice sheen, as you can see as well. And then right on top of it, at the high points of my cheeks, I'm gonna apply the cream highlight as well. The same brush. So to give me a little bit more pop in that highlight, I'm gonna take the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter and a fan brush. Ooh, blinding, bling bling. Every time I come around your city, bling bling. All right, so that's it for face. Let's get these brows together, because I know they're aggravating you guys for those that like to do the brows first. No, I'm team brows last. Where y'all at? Thumbs up. Where y'all at? Holla at me in the comments. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of brow gel and get these brows together. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the shade Granite and fill in these brows. I do my brows last because it literally takes me forever. They're definitely sisters, maybe even like half sisters. Definitely not twins. I'm gonna stop here because I literally can do this all day. I can't, like, I'm just gonna set everything down and get over it, because it's not gonna be perfect. And I don't do any cleaning up with concealer or anything like that. It's just ain't nobody got time for that. All right, so that's pretty much the face. Now on to the fun part, lips. The Lip Liqueur Liquid Matte in the shade Fetishist by Tom Ford. Finally, I'm gonna take the MAC Fix Plus, spray it all over. This is the final makeup look. Like, she has arrived, she has transformed, yes. Highlight, lip popping. For me, like, fall beauty trend that really never goes out of style is a bold poppin' lip. Definitely here for it. I love the vampy lip. Okay, so we gotta finish off this look with a little perfume. This is the Tom Ford Velvet Orchid, which is my favorite. She smells amazing. Ugh. Nordstrom's is actually having their fall scent event November 4th through the 10th, which is a great way to snatch up your favorite perfumes or even try out new perfumes you've been eyeing. You also can take advantage of the exclusive gift with purchase offers. If you're thinking about purchasing a perfume for you or even a loved one, definitely do it during their fall scent event. Once again, it's November 4th through the 10th at all Nordstrom stores and online as well. So that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed it. As mentioned, all the products mentioned in this video can be purchased at Nordstrom's, and I linked them down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. So until next time, peace and dopeness.